Otumak frieris. Frieris I a tasty dish tai traditional made from steamed rice stir frie in ao ok, but it can also be made in a pan. Frieris I delicious with a variety of ingredients, including almost any type of vegetable, meat, and egg. No only it easy to make, but it absolutely delicious. If you want to know how to make frieris, just follow the steps. Ingrédients. Simple frieris. 4 cubes coqued with rice. 1 carreau. 1 medium yellow onion. 1 clove garlic. 1 TSP. Frais ginguet. 1 cube en sprout. 3 eggs. 1 pinch black pepper. 1 TSP. Salt. 3 TBSP. Soy sauce. 2 TBSP. Vegetable oil. 2 TBSP. Sesame oil. Green onion for garnish. 1-2 lb. Coqued chicken. Crispy pork frierisant. 1-2 tablespoon panuol. 2 lightly beaten egg. 1-2 cubes choed oignon. 3 cloves minced garlic. 2 TSP. Minced ginguet. 2 17 coqued pork chops. 1 cube coqued brown rice. 1-4 cubes reduced de sodium soy sauce. 2 TSP. Sesame oil. Salt to taste. Pepper to taste. 1-4 cubes choed de cilantro olive. Indonésien frieris. 1-2 cubes long grain with rice. 3-4 cubes water. 1-3-4 cubes reduced de sodium chicken broth. 1 QT. Plus 3 tablespoons, 44.4 ml. Vegetable oil. 8 krupuk, Indonésien shrimp cracker, optional. 2 cubes thym lissed shallow. 2 larges choed garlic clove. 1 lb. Sliced skinless boneless chicken breast. 1 lb. Medium shrimp. 2 minced ostrich chill. 1-4 TSP. Salt. 2 TBSP. Ketchup mani, Indonésien soy sauce. 1 TBSP. Asian fish sauce. 4 sliced scallions. Simple frieris. Cook 4 cubes of white rice. Juste place the rice in boiling water en cook it for a moins of time list dont instruction. Some type of white rice cantac juste 10 or so minutes to boil, while other cantac 30 minutes or more. You can also microwave instant rice in the microwave, but it may no batasti. Prépare the vegetable. First, wash 2 cubes of carrots, 1 medium onion, 1 clove of garlic, on gingeru, en 1 cube of dans sprout. 10 carreaux en oignon, en mince juste 1 TSP. Of frais ginguet. 7 ingrédients acides. Pour 2 TBSP. Of vegetable oil à large pan. The pan should be very deep, almost like a ok. Place it over medium heat. Make sure the pan is clear of any trace of water, because the oil crackle fly very even. Cook the vegetable in the pan for 3 minutes. Place the carrots, oignon, garlic, bon sprout, en ginguet un tot pan. Throw in un TSP. Of saltant a pinch of black pepper. The vegetable should soy a bit, but should turn brown. Throw 1-2 lb. Of coqued chicken un tot pan. You can use chicken you've cooked for an hot melted before, or buy make coqued chicken especially for the frieris. Juste 10 chicken un tot un strip en place it in the pan. Pub to 2 tablespoons, 29.6 ml. Of sesame oil un tot frying pan. You can gradually add the oil when it becomes necessary, you don't have to throw it in a once. Add 3 eggs to the pan. Crack the egg into a bowl and whisk them to jeter. 10, pour the egg into the pan. Toast coqued rice into the pan. Frite rice into the ingrédients to jeter for 2-3 minutes, juste en ultime to it up rice en mixed ingrédients. Keep stirring as you frite rice. Add 3 tablespoons, 44.4 ml. Of soy sauce toute mixture en frite l'ingrédient to jeter for à noter 30 secondes. 10, remove the pan from the heat. Serve. Place the rice in a dish and garnish it with a sprig of green onion. Enjoy it dish à main course. Méthode 2. Crispy pork frierisant. It 1-2 TBSP. Of panuolin à large skié ove medium igit, 1. Cocktail. Ad de light libiten et tout pan. Tilt te pan tout cat te surface 8 teneg. Cocktail guinan even leye un tiltei recoqued alt wetrug. Alf wetrug te cooking, afte à bout 2 minutes, flip te egg. 10. Remove te egg, 10 tomatos malpis, en 7 thèmes acides. Add d'oignon, garlic, engingué tout pan. Eat un 2 cup of shredded onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic, en 2 tsp. Of minced gingué tout pan. Cooked ingrédients jeté for 2 minutes in the remaining panuol. Add de 2 17 pork chops to tris. The pork chops should already be cooked. Cooked 17 pork for en additional 3 minutes, or until they are golden brown. Add de rice, soy sauce, en sesame tout ce qui est. Add d'un cup of cooked brown rice, un 4 cup of reducé de sodium soy sauce, en 2 tsp. Of sesame tout pan en cooked for 2 more minutes. Season te frieries tout ast with salt and black pepper. 10. Remove te frieries from it. Stir in un 4 cup of shredded cilantro olive. Mixed cilantro well with the remaining ingredient. Serve. Place the frieries on a serving plate on top it with shredded egg. Tip. I recommended to use overnight leftovers for frieries because it ferment en freshly cooked rice. It will prevent rice sticking to jet will stir frying. Frieries I agreed to utilize various leftover item in your refrigerator. On way to safety me to use a handful of diced, frozen mixed vegetable, pea, carrot, pepper etc. Added color, nutrition en flavor in second. Love frieries but are trying to eat healthy? Look for low fat all, or three vegetable all for healthy outcome. You can substitute but for all. Add as sprinkle of lemon juice to add a little bit more flavor to the rice. There are many things you can add to frieries. You're really only limited by your imagination. There are some ideas. Tofu. Chicken. Pork. Ham. Beef. Vegetable, suchapi, brocoli, or bamboo shoot. Lupon, also known as l'option, or chine ce soit sausage, iao wonderful, traditional addition to frieries. It should be cooked, steamed or pan frié, first, en 10 or sliced before being added to the frieries. 2. Oyster sauce, which can be found in Chinatown, and great flavor, en 2 et un taste like oyster. Only a little in added, en you can add after cooking. Telecom qui brand I good. Ove, some contain MSG, so check the label if you want to avoid a